In this video, let's learn how to customize your A06 mobile lock screen. Now you can see my mobile lock screen like this. To customize this lock screen, press and hold on your mobile lock screen. After you can view this window. In here, we can add our contact information to this. Click on this contact information box. After you can add your mobile number or your name, anything. Now I add my channel name to this. You can see our contact information added to our lock screen. Now you can change these icons. In this camera icon, tap on it. You can change your any application for this. Now I select Google Chrome. You can see it's changed. In here you can change it like same method. I select torch. Okay, now you can change the clock format. Click on this clock icon. After you can select any clock format in here and you can change the color. You can see the color is changing. You can change the fonts like this. Okay, now you can change the notification viewing style. Click on this small icon. After you can change your notification format. Now this is icon only method. You can set it to none or you can set it to details format. Now when you receive a new notification, you can see it like this. You can see a preview. If you set this icon only, you can see it like this. Okay, now if you want to add another widgets to this lock screen, you can click on this widgets option. After you can select any widgets in here. Okay, you can change this wallpaper. Click on this wallpapers option. After you can select any wallpaper on your mobile gallery or pre-installed wallpapers. Now I select this one. After you can click on this done button. Okay, now you can see this is our new lock screen style. In this method you can customize your mobile lock screen.